Good morning. Here is another method, or we can say general method, to represent any square root of any positive real number. Suppose you have to find or you have to represent square root of 6.3 on number line or geometrically. Then what is the method to represent this? First we can draw a line segment AB of 6.3 unit. Here AB is given, means what we have to find? Root 6.3. Means you can suppose x equal to 6.3. Then we can draw a line segment AB of 6.3 unit. Then you can extend this AB to C such that BC equal to 1 unit. We can say BC equal to 1 unit. Now see, you can take AC as diameter. First we can find the midpoint of AC. How we can find midpoint of AC? What is the method? Taking A or C as center, more than half of AC. More than half of AC. You can one arc here and one arc here. Similarly from A, you have already studied in class 8. Then you can find the midpoint of AC. Suppose this O is the midpoint of AC. Then taking O as center, OA or OC as radius, we can draw the semicircle. Now from B, you can make an angle of 90 degree which intersect the circumference at point D. Now we can join OD. Then we can say here OA equal to OC equal to OD equal to radius. Now see, OA equal to OC equal to OD, all these are the radius. Now BD, how we can say BD? This BD. Now BD equal to root x equal to root 6.3. But how we can say this BD? For this you can see the calculation. AC equal to, now AC equal to AB plus BC. AB I have already taken. How much? AB equal to x. X means 6.3 plus 1. BC is 1. And OA equal to OC equal to OD equal to x plus 1 by 2. Since OA equal to OD equal to OC equal to radius. Now in triangle BOD, you can see BOD. In triangle BOD, we can use the Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Now see hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means what we can write on here? OD, and OD equal to radius. I have already calculated. Radius is x plus 1 by 2 whole square equal to perpendicular square plus base. Base is OB. Now see how we can calculate OB here. Base OB equal to OC minus BC. OC minus BC, this equal to OB. Then OC equal to x plus 1 by 2 minus BC is 1. Then after calculation you will get base equal to x minus 1 by 2. Then in place of base here, we can write down x minus 1 by 2. Then you can write down perpendicular square equal to x plus 1 by 2 whole square minus x minus 1 by 2 whole square. After calculation you will get equal to x. Here either you can apply the identity a square minus b square, or you can expand this a plus b whole square. Then after calculation you will get p equal to x. And what is p? P means perpendicular, this BD. BD equal to, we can say perpendicular will be root x. We can say root x. Perpendicular equal to root x. This equal to BD. This implies that BC, not BC. Simply we can say directly BD equal to root 6.3 on number line. In this way you can find this BD. We can say BD equal to root 6.3. This value represent. And we can say BD is the geometrically. But suppose you have to represent in, this is the geometrically, but you have to represent on number line. Then how we can represent on number line? You can measure this length BD. You can measure this length BD. Then you can draw an arc which intersect line at point. We can say this point is, suppose E. This point is E. Then at last we can say here BD equal to BE. Then this B is also equal to root 6.3. This B on number line and BD is geometrically. In this way, this is the general method. Suppose any number is given, you have to find the square root of 6.9. You have to represent square root of 5 on number line. Then same method also we can apply. Using this method, you have to represent root 5.8 on number line, and another question represent root 7.2 geometrically. try to solve these two questions.